Hello students, welcome to Apna College Net YouTube channel. Student CAT 2024 notification is out. Common admission test CAT 2024 score will be used for admission into management programs in the top-notch institutions like IIMs and also some of the premier business school in India. So in today's video, I'll talk about the important dates of CAT 2024 examination. We will look into the eligibility criteria of CAT 2024. We will also look at CAT 2024 application fees and which is the website to go for registration. So watch this video till the end if you are going to appear for CAT 2024. If you have any further query, you can call us in this number shown right now on the screen. You can also visit our website www.apnacollege.net where you will get detailed information on the top colleges and universities in India, also entrance examination updates. Subscribe to our channel Apna College Net and get a detailed update on the entrance examination and also college reviews. You can also follow us on our Facebook page Apna College and Instagram page Apna College 1. The Indian Institutes of Management will conduct a computer-based common admission test 2024 in short CAT 2024 on November 24th, 2024 in 3 sessions. CAT 2024 will be conducted by IIMs as a prerequisite for admission to various management programs of IIMs, mainly IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Amritsar, IIM Bangalore, IIM Bodh Gaya, IIM Calcutta, IIM Indore, IIM Jammu, IIM Kashipur, IIM Kozhikode, IIM Lucknow, IIM Mumbai, IIM Nagpur, IIM Raipur, IIM Ranchi, IIM Rohtak, IIM Sambalpur, IIM Shillong, IIM Sirmaur, IIM Tiruchirappalli, IIM Udaipur and IIM Visakhapatnam. The CAT 2024 scores will also be used by the listed non-IIM member institutions. Before taking a decision to appear for CAT 2024, the candidate must look into the eligibility criteria. The eligibility criteria of CAT 2024: the candidate must hold a bachelor degree with at least 50% marks or equivalent CGPA. In case the candidate belongs to SC, ST, persons with disability categories, then the graduation marks cutoff has been lowered to 45% and it should be awarded by any university recognized by UGC. Candidates appearing for the final year of bachelor's degree can also apply for CAT 2024 examination. Candidates should note that mere fulfillment of the minimum eligibility criteria would not ensure consideration for shortlisting by IIMs. Now we will look into the CAT 2024 registration fees. For the candidates belonging to the category of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and PWD, candidates need to submit the registration fees of 1,250 only. For all other candidates, the CAT registration fee amount will be 2,500 only. Now we will look into the important dates of CAT 2024. CAT 2024 registration opens on August 1st, 2024 sharp at 10 am. The registration for CAT 2024 will close on September 13th, 2024 at 5 pm. The admit card for CAT 2024 can be downloaded between November 5th, 2024 till November 24th, 2024. The CAT 2024 examination will be conducted on Sunday, 24th November 2024. Tentatively, CAT 2024 result will be declared on second week of January of 2025. Please note that CAT 2024 score will remain valid till December 2025. The CAT will be conducted in test centers spread across around 170 test cities. For registration in CAT 2024, one has to visit the website www.iimcat.ac.in. The CAT 2024 registration requirements, let us check out. You need to have a unique email ID and along with that you need to have a dedicated mobile number. This email ID and mobile number has to remain valid till the selection process. have any further query, you can call us in this number shown right now on the screen. You can also visit our website www.apnacollege.net, where you will get detailed information on the top colleges and universities in India, also entrance examination updates. Subscribe to our channel Apna College Net and get a detailed update on the entrance examination and also college reviews. You can also follow us on our Facebook page Apna College and Instagram page Apna College 1.